Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't change stirrup sound in Windows 11. Click search icon, type control panel, click control panel. Select small icons. Click power options. Click choose what the power buttons do. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup. Click save changes. Right-click speaker icon, click open sound settings. Click more sound settings. Click sounds tab. Check play Windows startup sound. Open browser. Copy text from description and paste it. Click download. Open downloaded file. Click install. Open startup sound changer. Click play with existing sound. Click replace browse to add new startup sound. Click play to check. Click exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.